Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile hotspot not working in Realme Neo 7X. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can see the option connection and sharing. Now click on it and then click on personal hotspot. Now here you can turn on your hotspot. After turn on your hotspot, then go back to the main page of your settings and check your internet connection works properly or not. After check your internet connection, then click on system and update, and then on top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone, and here you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on it, and here enter your password to reset your all settings. After reset all the settings, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.